Welcome to Sheik Math Academy. In this lesson we are going to see JEE main maths question in the matrix topic. Look at the question: A equal to 2, 1, 0, 1, 2, minus 1, 0, minus 1, 2. Then determination of adjoint to A is equal to 16 power n. Then what is the value of the n? This is the year 2023 question, latest question. A equal to 8, B, they have given the 4 options. A equal to 8, B equal to 10, C is equal to 9, D is equal to 12. First to find the value of A. 4, 2, 4 minus 1. So it is 3. Minus 1, 2, 0, then 0. So 6 minus 2 is equal to A is equal to 4. Determination of A is equal to 4. Okay. Adjoint to A. When you take 2 from adjoint, it will be 2 power Now I am taking 2 out here. So what will be there? Adjoint to adjoint A. 2 power n minus 1. It is a 3 cross 3 matrix. So it is 2 square. Okay. Then again this is coming here. Adjoint 2 square square. Adjoint A. Then this is coming here. 2 square square square. Okay. Adjoint A. So it is 2 power 4, 2 power 8. 2 power 8 when it is coming out, it will be cube because it is a 3 cross 3 matrix. So 2 power 24 adjoint A. This one will be A squared. Adjoint A squared. Then this will be adjoint A power 4. Then adjoint A power 8. 2 power 24. Determination of A power 8. What is A value? A value is we found it is 4. We found what we found. A value is 4. So 2 power 24, 4 power 8 equal to 16 power n. 2 power 24, 4 power 8 is equal to 16 power n. 2 power 24, 2 power 16 is equal to 2 power 4. 16 is 2 power 4 n. 16 is 2 power 4. N I put here. 2 power 40 equal to 2 power 4 n. 44 n. So n is equal to 10. Sixteen is 2 power 4. Copy now. This 2 when it is coming here, 2 square. Then 2 square when it is coming here, 2 square square. Then this is coming here, 2 square square square. That means 2 power 8. 2 power 8 when it is coming out, 2 power 24. Determination of A power 8. A is 4. So 4 power 8 means 2 power 16. 2 power 24 times 2 power 16 is A power m plus n. So it is A power m, A power 40. 2 power 40. 2 power 40. 16 is 2 power 4. So 2 power 4 n. Copy down.